Hello there. Welcome to TreeAMS Onboarding Support. My name is Mike from the Customer Onboarding team. Today, we will walk you through our software platform guiding you step by step. By the end of the session, your site will be fully set up and ready to use. So, let's get started with a quick and easy setup. First, let's start by completing your registration by following these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Check your email for a message by our onboarding team titled Complete Registration. Next, click the Complete Registration button that will redirect you to our portal. Once on the portal, enter and confirm your new password to reset and complete your registration. After resetting your password and logging into the platform, you'll be directed to the portal page. This page allows you to create assignments, view pending tasks, and access various features. During this onboarding setup, we'll walk you through each function step by step. Navigating between the portal page and the admin site is key to efficiently managing your operations. Here's how you can seamlessly switch between the two. To switch from the admin site to the portal, click on your profile and select Switch to Desk. This will redirect you to the backend portal page. To switch back to the admin site, click on your profile and select Switch to Portal, or use the shortcut by clicking the Quick Start button and selecting Portal. You will then be redirected to your portal page. Great work! You're now all set to make the most of our software. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Our customer onboarding team is always happy to assist you. Click on the video below to start creating your very own network. See you there.